Fast forwarding out of the late antiquity period for the second time, we're now moving on into the mid-1300s when medieval Europe is in full swing and we are now experiencing one of the most devastating pandemics of all time. In all of Europe and even areas outside of Europe from 1347 to 1351, basically nobody was safe from one of the deadliest pandemics to ever happen. Now, we've already discussed the bubonic plague that took place during the late antiquity period, but I had to discuss the Black Death because it was so culturally significant and it was so devastating. During this roughly 4-year period, the Black Death wiped out an estimated 30 to 60% of all of Europe's population, which is almost unfathomable to think about. In numbers, the death toll is estimated to be around 50 million in Europe and up to potentially 200 million globally. And on top of the sheer terrifying nature of half of the people that were living now dying, there's also massive social and political impacts because of the Black Death, adding gas to the fire of this already out of control situation. And it's for that reason that being alive during the mid-1300s would be one of the worst times to ever be born or live in general, because everybody was terrified of the disease that was going around. Nobody knew how to properly treat or prevent this disease. Half of everybody you know is dying from this disease. And if you were to be born in this setting, it must have seemed like the world was just ending around you.